Hello everyone. Today, I want to share an incredibly fun feature that can instantly transform your favorite music into vibrant and visually stunning animated videos. Here's how it works. Step 1. Open our animation creation page. Head to our animation creation page at LlamaGen.ai/new/animation, http://LlamaGen.ai/new/animation. Once there, switch to the music to video mode. See that paste box? You're going to use it next. Step 2. Grab a music link. Go to Suno's website, select any song you love, and navigate to its details page. Click Share and copy the song link. Step 3. Paste and process. Go back to our platform and paste the Suno link into the box. The system will automatically start analyzing the music and lyrics. Just wait a moment for it to finish downloading. Step 4. Create your video. Once the music download and lyric analysis are complete, you can select the video quality or adjust the desired video length. After setting your preferences, simply click Generate. And that's it. In just a short while, you'll have a stunning video where music and visuals seamlessly come together. We hope you enjoyed this feature. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and join the discussion. See you in the next update.